Are you looking for more outdoor toys for the summer for your little one? We just got this Little Tikes 3-in-1 Splash and Grow water play table. It has really been a hit around here. Not only does it have room enough for multiple kids to play at once, but the two sides can adjust up or down whether the child wants to sit or stand and play. Now, the water table has two different sides and it has different activities like this spinning wheel that you can put the balls in and turn it to spin it. It has one place over here for it has water and it has a plug that you can easily empty the water out the bottom. And then over here, you have the spinning gears. Again, they can put the ball there. They can have, that's the red cup that it comes with. They can dump the ball there. A lot of different places. And that's the other section where it can have water and it has a plug to drain it out. Now, if you put the ball in the center, it will come out the bottom. So that's kind of a fun game. Now it's going to come out the bottom of the water table and roll away unless you have the included 5-foot water play mat with it. Now we did find the water play mat is very slippery with bare feet, so we only use it when she has water shoes on. But if she doesn't, then we just take it out. It also comes with 5 balls and 1 cup to play with. Overall, this water play table is really, really fun. I love that it's adjustable. I love that it comes with the balls and the cup, and it has plenty of room for multiple kids to play.